company purchased equipment on January 1st, 2015 for $900,999,800. The equipment was expected to have a useful life of 10 years and a salvage value of $29,000. Gundram used the straight-line depreciation method. At the beginning of 2020, Gundram determined that the total estimated life of the equipment was 13 years, and the residual value would be $10,200 at the end of that time. Prepare any entry needed in 2020 to account for this change. Record depreciation expense for 2020 on December 31st. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and pull down some of these numbers so that we can self-reference them. So we have the purchase of the equipment for $999,800. At that point, we had useful life of 10 years. And okay, then we have salvage, $29,000. I'm going to put a little space here because now the change at 2020 is a life of 13 years and a new residual of $10,200. Okay, so now that we have this, it'll allow us to calculate where we were at so far. So let's just calculate what the depreciation would have been from January 15 going forward. So we'll just say the original depreciation, and that would be equal to our purchase price minus the salvage, close parentheses, divided by the useful life for $97,080 a year. And so at that point, can we calculate, or now that we have that, can we calculate book value as of the beginning of 2020? And the answer is obviously yes, we can. And so that would be calculated as our purchase of the original equipment minus all of the depreciation so far. And so our original depreciation amount times 5 for $514,400. This original depreciation in the book value as of 2020, let me just put here. That means we can calculate the new depreciation from 2020 going forward. And so we're going to use this book value, subtract out the new residual value, and divide it by this change in useful life. So here we're going to say equals, open parentheses, our book value minus this new residual, close parentheses, and divide that by the new useful life of 13, but 5 of those years have already passed. So we need to subtract out 5, close parentheses, and we get $63,025. And so that's our new depreciation and what we'll use in our journal entry here. So we'll have depreciation expense $63,025, and we're going to have accumulated depreciation of that same $63,025.